Hello, dear students. Hope you all are safe and fine. Today, I, Mrs. Garima Bhandari, is here again with the second part of the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife, Class 9th, Geography, Part 2. In the previous chapter, we already discussed about what is natural vegetation and what is virgin vegetation. That means it refers to the plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by human for a long time. Then we discussed about the huge diversity in flora and fauna kingdom and the important factors like relief, climate, photoperiod, temperature, precipitation and ecosystem. Then we discussed about the types of vegetation, in which we talked about tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest, there is no definite time for the trees to shed their leaf. And the tropical deciduous forest. These trees of this forest, they shed their leaf for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry season. Then we discuss about the tropical thorny forests and scrubs. In this video, we'll start with the montane forest. The wet temperate type of forest is found between a height of 1000 and 2000 meters. Evergreen broadleaf trees such as oak and chestnut predominated. So basically, montane forests are the forests which are found in the mountains. Between 1500 and 300 meters, temperate forest containing coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver fir, cedar are found. These forests cover mostly the southern slope of the Himalayas, places having high altitudes in southern and northeast India. At high elevation, temperate grasslands are common. At high altitude, generally more than 3600 meters above sea level, temperate forests and grasslands give way to the alpine vegetation. Silver fir, juniper, pines and birches are the common trees of these forests. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujjars and the Bakharwals. At higher altitude, mosses and lichens form part of tundra vegetation. Animals found in these regions are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrel, shaggy horned wild ibex, bear and rare red panda, sheep and goat with thick hair. Now mangrove forest. The mangrove tidal forests are found in the area of coastal influenced by tides. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coast. Dense mangroves are the common varieties with root of the plant submerged under water. The delta of the Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri are covered by such vegetation. In the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found which provide durable hard timber. Important trees are palm, coconut, keora, agar, also grown in some part of the delta. Animals found in these regions are Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal in these forests. Turtle, crocodiles, gharials and snakes are also found in these forests. Now wildlife. India is also rich in its fauna. It has approximately 90,000 animal species. The country has about 2,000 species of bird. They constitute 13% of the world total. There are 2,546 species of fish, which account for nearly 12% of the world's stock. It also shares between 5 and 8% of the world's amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Now, the distribution of wildlife in India. Elephants are found. The elephants are the most majestic animal among the mammals. They are found in the hot wet forest of Assam, Karnataka, and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros are the other animals which live in swampy and marshy land of Assam and West Bengal. Arid area of the Run of Kutch and the Thar Desert are the habitat for wild ass and camels respectively. Indian bison, nilgai, chausingha, that means four-horned antelope, gazelle, and different species of deer are some other animals found in India. India is the only country in the world that has both tiger and lions. The national habitat of the Indian lion is the Gir forest in Gujarat. Tiger are found in the Madhya Pradesh, the Sundarban of West Bengal, and the Himalayan region. Ladakh freezing high altitudes are a home of yak, the shaggy horned wild ox weighing around 1 ton, the Tibetan antelope, the blue sheep, wild sheep, and the Tibetan wild ass. Birds' life in India is colorful. Peacock, ducks, parakeets, cranes, and pigeons are some of the birds inhabiting the forest and wetlands of the country. The causes of major threat to the flora and fauna. Every species has an important role in the ecosystem, hence conservation of flora and fauna is essential. About 1,300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are The main cause of the major threat to nature are hunting for commercial purposes, pollution due to chemical and industrial waste, rapidly cutting of the forest for cultivation and habitation. Now, the government initiative to protect flora and fauna. The government has taken many steps to protect the flora and fauna of the country. 18 biosphere reserves have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. 10 out of these have been included in the world network of the biosphere reserves, like Sundarban in West Bengal, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu, and Nilgiri, that is in Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. All these have been included in the world network of biosphere reserves. Financial and technical assistance have been provided to many botanical gardens by the government since 1992. Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard, and many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced by the government. 103 national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries, and geological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage. You can see all these wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, and national park in this map. Hope you like this presentation. Thank you.